both Purim and Hanukkah, they are Jewish feasts. They are not the feast of Yehovah, they're Jewish feasts. But they were put in place, and as a matter of fact, Yeshua, when he went up to the Feast of Tabernacles, they wanted to kill him. And they were making plans to kill him. And then he comes back up to Jerusalem at Hanukkah, just a couple of months later. And so Hanukkah is which became known as the Feast of Lights. At Hanukkah, he said, I am the light of the world. As long as I'm in the world, I am the light of the world. And then he heals the man who was born blind. So he attaches the prophetic significance to Hanukkah, and Hanukkah is the shadow picture of Antiochus Epiphanes, the Syrian Greek general, as the Antichrist. Whereas Purim, this festival that we are now at, this represents Haman as the Antichrist. And there are enumerations, there are calculations that are given by the angel Gabriel in the book of Daniel to Daniel himself, that those numbers, 1260, 1290, 1335 days, that those cannot be calculated without both Hanukkah and Purim being in their place and understanding the prophetic significance, and the 1335 days being related to the millennial temple and the dedication of the millennial temple, the Feast of Dedication. So these things are very important, and that's why I really wanted to do this special for everyone.
Yes.
This is the vanquishing of Vashti and the making of the king's bride. See you then. Shalom, Torah fans. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Tap the subscription button and the bell icon, and I promise to update weekly with in-depth biblical research. Be sure to download the new michaelrood.tv app for both mobile and home devices for even more commercial-free content.